Welcome to this Fix It Tech News channel. And today we learned that Samsung has decided to increase the amount of time that people will receive security updates on their Galaxy phones. This is good news because we tend to be unsecure. A lot of people tend to be unsecure on their phones because they keep an old phone too long. And of course, just like every operating system that exists, when the phone doesn't get security updates anymore, well, it puts you at risk when you connect on the web and when you use your phone, and especially when you use your phone on, public Wi-Fi, which is also a risk. So the Samsung has announced that all the phones, the Galaxy phones, will now have 4 years of security updates, which is nice because that means that people will be able to keep their phones longer without having the fear of getting some form of, malware or whatever that could be happening because you got security flaws on the device. This is, there should be a minimum of 4 to 5 years for every type of phone, because this is unacceptable. These devices are very expensive, and when you have a device that costs so much that after only a couple of years doesn't even have updates anymore, it's kind of a little crazy. And I would even extend that a little more. I would say that instead of having just one update to the new version of Android, for example, they should be following and having updates for a while. So at least, it's an improvement, and at least it's better and kind of good news for Samsung Galaxy owners. But let's hope that every manufacturer gives at least 4 to 5 years of security updates. I mean, our devices are good for such a long time now, especially the new ones are so powerful that they could be used a lot more than that. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.